Saturday po ulit mga kabady. Kami pong ng aking misis ay naligaw dito sa Canary Wharf. Ano po, at ito po ang aming nadaanan. Gusto ko pong ipakita sa inyo ang isang maliit na garden. Sa Canary Wharf garden. Ano po, sa Central London. Gusto po ninyo search ng Canary Wharf. Canary. Meron po sa water feature. Ang water feature niya po ay may mga house po yan. Wala sa ilalim. Water features. Punta dito. Ayan. Ito po ang Canary Wharf. Ito po siya dito. Okay. Ito po ang kanyang water feature. Wow, so beautiful. There you go. Hanggang doon po ang kanyang water feature. Ang ganda. At ito po ay pag umakyat ka dito ay makikita mo wow. Ayan po. Meron po siyang sculpture. Ayan. Ayan po kaya mga water features. Ayan po mga buildings ng Canary Wharf. There you go. These are all offices here in the city of London. We call this the Jubilee Place. Right, that we are in the city of London in place called Canary Wharf. Look at this. It's a forest in the middle of Canary Wharf. There you go. Ayan po. Pinakikita ko sa inyo. At meron siya mga water features. Yeah, it's so nice to have one like this in the middle of the city, in the middle of all these offices. These are office buildings, big office buildings. Look at that, huge. There's so much offices on the top, so many offices there. And actually this is beside a train station. Here in the UK, in London, we call it the underground or the tube station. Okay, and it's called the Canary Wharf tube station. Yeah, this is so nice. It's one of the nice place. And it says here waterside apartments. Oh, we call it the underground because the tube is actually running doon po sa ilalim ng lupa. Underground. Kaya yan. Kaya po yan ay tinawag underground. Nasaan? Saan doon? Ayan po ang name ng station, the Canary Wharf Station. There you go. Ito po ang, wow, look at the tall building here. Ayan po ang DLR or light rail. Yun. It's beside actually a lagoon for water feature. As you can see, this is the department store underneath all of the offices here in Canary Wharf. And It's in London. You see the Canary Wharf, London. And we have this different shops. Nasaan na yan? Saan? Nino? Saan? No. Kaya pala yan. He wanted to visit Morocco. Kasi, oh, there you go. Look, that's big screen in one Canada Square. Cabot Place, that's what we're going. If you take a look, there you go. Yun po, mga ka-buddy, mga ka-bro and ka-sis, mga ka-fam at ka-fam-bam. Ito po ang inyong ka-buddy, si Mac TV or Mac Nips TV, bringing you enjoy. Hope you enjoy. Ito po ang Canary Wharf. And look at the flowers. Look at this. These are the pink carnation. Look at this. It is actually, kita nyo po, naka-line siya. It's a pink carnation, but it's actually fuchsia. Oh, this is Cabot Place. And this is another flowery plants. I don't know what it's called. Hindi ko po alam kung ito po ang white carnation. The carnation. Yeah. DLR means Docklands Light Railway. Ayan. Ayan po ang Docklands Light Railway. Canary Wharf. There you go. I hope you're enjoying the things, the scenery here in Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. This is the South Colonnade. This is actually a train station. Above us, ito pong itaas, train station. Ayan. Oh, here's the pink carnation. Ito po palang pink carnation. Sorry earlier, because I was wrong. Ito po palang, this is the pink carnation. Ba't kakunti ang pink? Ba't mas maraming red? Mga kaibigan, hindi ko po sinasadya. Ang dami pong red. Kukunti lang po ang pink. Ayan. Galing. Pero ang daming green. Oh, may pink din po dito. Ayan. Ang ganda. It's a nice place. This is how they do it in London. Ano po? They always have trees because they believe, ano po, and we should do this as well back in the Philippines, because we are so lucky, because ang Pilipinas po talaga ay marami pong trees, ano ho, marami tayong pwedeng itanim na trees. So ito po ang marami po dito mga shops tulad nito. Ito po ang pizza shop. They call it